I'm Michael Cheatwood. I'm the academic director for the Bachelor in Fashion Design program at IE University. Our Bachelor's in Fashion Design program is built on 4 key pillars: creativity, sustainability, social responsibility, technology and craft, and business. This program is very hands-on and merges craftsmanship with individual expression and a purpose-driven approach. We place a strong emphasis on sustainability, along with fashion management skills and the latest in crafting techniques and technologies. The curriculum is designed to prepare you to become a leader in the world of fashion. As you progress, you'll tackle a range of applied challenges that grow in complexity, ensuring that you're always learning and evolving. The aim of the program is to equip you with the tools not just to design and construct innovative garments and collections, but to truly understand the broader cultural, material, economic, and sociological landscape of fashion. Our program is designed to foster cross-disciplinary communication and collaboration. Through collaborative projects and exhibitions, students have the opportunity to work alongside peers from other fields of design, gaining unique perspectives and creative input from those studying different aspects of the discipline. What sets IE University apart is our global perspective. With a student body representing 140 different nationalities, students gain valuable exposure to a wide range of experiences and viewpoints. Our program is also really for those who are interested in fashion as a global business and in an industry that nurtures craftsmanship. Our program has state-of-the-art facilities, like our state-of-the-art fashion studio and our textile lab. In the textile lab, students can experiment with growing their own plants to create natural dyes, and also explore the creation of biomaterials, pushing the boundaries of sustainable fashion. Fashion technology is a mix of tradition and innovation. IE University has an extensive network of industry-leading partners, which opens up incredible opportunities for our students. These partnerships offer access to internships with top designers, giving students invaluable hands-on experience in the fashion world. If you're seeking a program that will truly prepare you to become an innovator capable of making a cultural impact through fashion, this is the one for you. Whether it's through sustainability, technology, or design innovation, you'll be equipped to leave a lasting mark on the industry and influence the world around you.